In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail signature not showing step by step so your signature appears properly in new emails, replies, and forwards. This is a super common Gmail issue, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and sign into the account where your signature is not showing. Once Gmail loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page where you can control everything related to your inbox, sending options, and signatures. Now scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is the area where Gmail stores your email signatures. If your signature is not showing, the first thing to check is whether a signature has actually been created. If there isn't one yet, create a new signature and enter the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your name, job title, company name, phone number, website, or anything else you want to display. If you already have a signature created, make sure it is selected correctly. Sometimes Gmail has multiple signatures and the wrong one may be active or none may be assigned at all. Once your signature is created, look for the Signature Default section right below it. This part is very important because Gmail uses these settings to decide when and where your signature appears. Under Signature Defaults, choose your signature for new emails use. This tells Gmail which signature should automatically appear when you start a brand new email. Then, choose your signature for on reply/forward use. This controls what shows up when you reply to someone or forward an email. If these settings are blank or set incorrectly, your signature may not appear the way you expect. Take a moment to double check that the correct signature is selected in both places. If you want the same signature everywhere, choose the same one for both options. If you prefer different signatures for new emails and replies, you can set those individually here. Once everything looks correct, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial because if you leave the page without saving, Gmail will not apply the new signature settings. After saving, go back to your inbox and create a new email to test it. Your signature should now appear automatically. If it still isn't showing, refresh the page and try again. Or go back into settings to confirm the signature is still selected under both defaults. In most cases, this simple fix solves the issue right away. And that's it. You fix Gmail signature not showing by checking the Signature section, assigning it properly for new emails and replies, and saving the changes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.